of soil erosion. The material used for
Doctor often face certain difficulties to treat the villages or the pupils from these diseases.
Hi everyone, I am Devi Prashad Das of Standard 8. Today I am very happy to express my views about the STEM program that was conducted in our school. So the day starts with happiness, curiosity and nervousness as I have participated in the STEM program. Here in this platform I have learned many new things beyond our textbooks. I have learned that devices that will help us to fight against with our real life challenges. I have learned the drip irrigation and the floating irrigation methods which are used for increasing the crop production. I have also learned about the solar power food storage device which store the food and prevent the microorganism growth on it. We know that fruits and vegetables are the perishable items which contain high moisture. So they should have sun dried before storing as it will prevent the growth of microorganisms. As we know that we don't get the equal amount of sunlight every day, so this project will provide equal amount of light every day to them so that they could be stored at a proper time. Last but not the least, we have learned about the paper fuges. These devices are used as a centrifuge machine. Centrifuge machine is a highly expensive and electric device. The people in rural and tribal communities can't afford it. So that we have developed such a device which is eco-friendly, sustainable, cost efficient and will help us to get the blood samples and the blood report. So this is all about the projects that we have made and learned from the same programs. I would like to thank our teachers and our honorable principal ma'am who have supported and facilitated these projects and methods to us. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
I am Bhumika Sarangi from class 6 of Adani Devi Public School. Today I am happy to share my experience about the Arrange STEM program which includes S for science, T for technology, E for engineering and M for mathematics. It was very energetic, engaging and entertaining program for me. We learned many things beyond our textbooks. We can use it in our day-to-day life. It was very useful. It helps us to fight against our day-to-day problems. So I request all of you, if your school having such programs, please attend it. And lastly, I want to thank my respected teachers and honorable principal ma'am for arranging this program in our school premises. Thank you. Have a great day.
I'm Akashdeep Banerjee, a teacher of Adani Devi Public School, Kuamara Bhadraka, Odisha. I am really privileged to be a part of the STEM training program conducted by Adani Foundation in our school from 18 to 20 July 2026. Our master trainer was Dr. Anamika Jha from Adani Vidya Mandir, Ahmedabad. So from this training session, we learned how to convert a regular classroom into a STEM classroom. To convert ourselves from regular teachers to STEM-enabled teachers. We taught our children to find out certain problems and they tried to find out their own solutions. And after we got the solutions, we tried to find the pros and cons of the solutions and finally we went for the improvements. So we reflected on what the students knew, what they wanted to know and finally what they learned from this workshop. So we focused on experiential learning. The students, they were active throughout the session and they learned a lot. And their active participation says that this STEM curriculum, the STEM training program is successful in our school. So looking forward to more such sessions. Thank you so much.
Namaste. I am Sudeshna Panikahi, a teacher at Adani DAV Public School, Kuamara Bhadra. And today I would like to express my experience that I had in the 3-day STEM training workshop at our school. First of all, I would like to thank my principal and the management for giving us such a great learning opportunity that we can incorporate STEM in our classrooms. What we learned in these 3 days are how to create an environment for the students so that they can learn experientially and they can get hands-on training on how to create different simple yet innovative designs. These designs can help solve the real world problems, it can enable them in critical thinking, and it will also foster their creativity. And I would like to express my gratitude to our master trainer, Dr. Anamika Jha, whose great guidance and enthusiasm helped us learn a lot through these 3 days. What I am taking away with this workshop is I would like to inculcate all of these values in my regular classrooms, and I will proudly call myself a STEM teacher. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. The STEM education which is going to be held in the school is really an amazing opportunity for our children. If also we are located in this remote area and children know STEM, but systematically to do STEM it is not happening. Theoretically they know it, but practical application they are learning. I am really thankful to Dr. Namika, who is really a beautiful master trainer. She is not only giving training to teachers as well as she is training students in a better way. And as the teachers are groomed, so also the students will be groomed. She is not only telling them what to do, she is making them what to do, and the classroom is becoming entertaining, engaging, and of course the things are becoming quite friendly, eco-friendly. It is age appropriate, it is cost effective, it is sustainable, and this area requires such kind of things. So the children will be making it collaboratively, they are doing in a group, and they are blending it in their daily usage of life. I hope this will be taking them to higher heights, and they will be making this STEM a better option for classroom teaching for the teachers as well as students, and parents also will be very happy. We are going to organize some STEM exhibition as madam suggested. We'll be having STEM corner in the school. Some choice boards will be there. Some idea board corner will be there. Some boards we can keep where it can be displayed, so that children by seeing that also will be motivated, and which will go long run. I am 100% sure. I am quite motivated with madam's thoughts and words. I am grateful to Adani Foundation for sending such messages to different schools and making it happen. I am really grateful to Chairperson Dr. Pritiji Adani Madam and our education head like George Thomas sir for keeping these things in such a way that every school under Adani banner, they are becoming a part of this STEM and making it a beautiful journey ahead. I wish all the very best.